Good morning, Matt from Keystone Experience. Today we have our inspection day. I'm hoping to install this exterior door right over there. Framing inspection, plumbing, electrical, mechanical. Should be a good day. Doing a little handyman door installation and talking to the inspector and just doing miscellaneous tasks around the job site. It's October 1st and yeah, feels good to have this inspection. Installation's up next and then sheetrock. So the framing, plumbing, electrical, and mechanical inspection passed. The rough ends, praise the Lord. And back to installing this door right here. It's gonna be our exterior door that goes right here. Have the sill pan. I had to cut the CMU to kind of have it flush out with the new mudroom floor. So I cut that and masonried it. I have 3 beads of OSI Max. Used a whole tube. Now have the sill pan in place. And I'm getting ready to prep the door and install that. It's a Thursday night. I'm hanging off the side of the house. And Knox is in here. Getting ready to hang this window. What do you say, Knox? What? What was that? For the camera. You gotta look at the camera. Got both windows installed. What do you say, Noxie? Good work.
Hi.
First window's installed. What'd you think of it? What was the hardest part?
Holding the window in place.
Okay. Jehovah Jireh, baby.
One.
So Caleb Funk was back this morning to set the oil tank, get the furnace up and going. What do you need help with? Did you load all that construction debris into the back of the old Ford?
Yes.
Oh, you should be proud of yourself. Can you lift that pile of cardboard or do you need a hand?
One time I think there was like this basket on top of here and we were driving and I think it had our fishing rods in it.
Okay.
For a baby.
Okay. What are you doing up there?
I'm like relaxing myself.
Relaxing yourself?
Yeah, in the sun.
Okay. We're headed up the hill to Mom and Dad's for some lunch. Brendan boy.
What are you guys doing today?
A little bit of everything. Oh, this looks good.
Spaghetti for Daddy. Yours has rice, his has pasta. I cooked off my tomatoes and made some honey sauce. Call me home.
A little.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. What's the best angle here?
I thought we could poke out here, but.
So what were you saying, Wendell? This is a video.
Oh, well, I was going to take a picture. I felt like the Lord said, take a picture with your dad this morning. And I forgot. And now you're here saying, hey, I want a picture.
Yeah, all right. Well, this is my neighbor, Wendell, and John Kibler. I've known them my whole life, and they're here building this cool barn structure. I had to stop in and say hi to the neighbors.
With free lumber for my son, Austin. He was going to burn it.
I love that story. Okay, let's get some pictures. So my next task for the day is, Lord willing, get this ridge cap on. I'm doing some wall to roof flashing around the chimney here. Hoping this rain holds off. Jehovah Jireh, baby. It's almost 4 o'clock. Starting to drizzle up here. Praise the Lord, I got most of the ridge cap on. Most of the roof done. You can see I got to put this cowboy hat on this toilet vent pipe here. And I have to flash around the chimney. And I found the exact piece of ridge cap I needed. Sort of a miracle answer to prayer. I was going to send my dad up to the roofing supply warehouse this week, but never got around to it. I was so busy at my real job. But praise the Lord. Insulation comes on Monday. They can spray foam away. That was a heartthrobber there. That roof got so slick, I had to hand over hand down the rope. Jehovah Jireh, baby.
Is that better?
Where's Brendan? That's like
Maybe we couldn't make it to DC this year. That would have been.
that's a Celtic knot of barley children.